my vacay people. It's your girl Sean.
This your boy KC.
And we're cruising on vacay mode.
You know how we do it. And if you just like us, loving the cruise, enjoying your cruise vacation, and you need a little tips, get over there to our live. We live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time. Get over there, come on and check us out so I can be able to answer your questions. We both can, join the family conversations. And if you want to get to me quicker, get over there to our Facebook group, Sean and KC on Vacay Mode, so I can answer your questions.
So today we're going to talk to you guys about is, can you stay in touch with the outside world when you're on a cruise? So the answer to that is there's many different ways you can stay in touch. And one way recently, which I never pay attention to, some cruise lines even offer newspaper to let you know what's going on out there. So you got newspaper, you got cable in your room, so you can always watch CNN to find out what's going on. And most of us have our cell phones and
so if you want to keep in touch with somebody, you might want to get the internet package, where you can be able to keep up with the social media news and what's going on, locally and stuff like that. So they have 3 different packages. If you haven't checked it out, we have a video on, the Wi-Fi package. Also too, on the ship, how to keep in touch with each other is the Hub app. Many ships have apps that you can be able to keep in contact with each other. So Hub app is from Carnival, but each ship has something different.
They sure do. When I did this just now, I thought he was going to say the walkie-talkie. So that's something you could definitely keep up with is you can get a walkie-talkie. And you and the person or whoever's the other group that came with you, you can have the walkie-talkie talk back and forth with each other.
Yeah, you don't need, you need one probably no more than 16 miles, whatever like that. So you can be able to keep in touch with each other. And you got one just as simple as this. You got a phone in your room to call each other.
We forget about those things these days. Also, these apps allows you to text each other, so you can always do that. We know there's many business people that be on these cruises and they have to check emails. Well, if you decide not to get a package, I believe there's a new internet space that you can go to, or they have computers where you can just rent out for for a couple of hours or whatever minutes that you need. So you can go on there and you can check all your business stuff, your emails online and what have you. So you can definitely do that. And of course, everybody's on social media, so you can definitely get one of these packages and stay in touch and take pictures and so forth on social media. Yeah. So there's definitely many, many ways that you can stay in touch while you're on the cruise ship.
Yeah, so don't worry about it that you feel like you're going to be stuck somewhere without being able to communicate with the real world out there. So you shouldn't be worried about your cruise, but I understand, business folks, dealing with business dealings that you have to contact people, stuff like that. So, sometimes people business be on the go and they be your laptop.
And even somebody had a real quick, they forgot to buy somebody a gift. So they just went ahead and made a payment, were able to surf the web real quick, went to Target.com or something, because I was with her and she was trying to figure out what to do, what to get really quick, and was able to ship the gift to the person home. Easy peasy, no problem.
Yeah. And if you got money that you might have to shift around, because sometimes this person asked us to, to help them out because, they ran out of money because, gambling, they had to actually go online, transfer some money, so they got some more money. So you can use it for that if you need to transfer some money into your account.
So to answer your question, there's definitely many options and many ways that you can stay in touch with the outer world while you're on a cruise. This is your girl Sean.
And this your boy KC. And don't forget to come back to our live, every Sunday. So how you know and how you be able to be notified is you got to subscribe. If you subscribe to our channel, you can be able to keep up with our live every Sunday, at 6 p.m. Central Time, so we can be able to answer your questions personally. So if you want to ask me something, you want to ask Sean something,
ask me.
Come by and stop by our live every Sunday, 6 p.m. Central Time. And if you want to join our Facebook page to get a hold of us quicker, get over there to Sean and Casey on vacay mode group and to be able to answer the questions.
See you guys next time.
See you on vacay mode.